See this battery kill switch right here? Serves two purposes. Watch me as I install this to stop the battery from further flattening overnight and to enable us to trickle charge and jump the motorcycle. Let's jump on into this. Motorcycle won't start. Dead battery situated in a difficult to gain access location on the bike. For example, this Ducati, it's located underneath the pain in the butt fuel tank to remove. Some bikes is under the seat. So let's kill two birds with one stone. Number one, by adding a battery kill switch. Screw troubleshooting the problem. That'll cost more than the bike itself. And number two, adding a external battery jump port. As jumping the bike for the umpteenth time, I've resorted to creative ways to fixing it. And the kill switch we're using on this naked bike, manufactured in China, at least it has an internal housed mechanism to protect it from the elements, which will come in handy with this motorcycle as it'll house the positive cables, protecting it from the chassis of the motorcycle and grounding out. This kill switch, which I imagine is designed for larger vehicles, is perfect to deter thefts, but in my situation, it's going to be used to deter flattening of the battery because I'm unable to find what's draining the battery as the bike sits. Also, since the wires are being rerouted, why not take this opportunity to create a terminal for trickle charging or jumping the motorcycle? All right, so we have this battery kill switch that we're going to install on the side of the Ducati Monster. I've picked this spot right here because this is kind of big. This whole unit right here is a little bit big, so we're going to take this and swivel it back. We're going to put the plate on. This will be the back plate behind this. There's plastic on it on this too, so don't worry, it's not going to touch with this, but this will be the plate, the strong mount that we're going to use. We'll just put that right there for now. We'll mount that up like that. We'll put another one right there, so that'll be super strong. We'll take this battery, positive, and then we'll reroute it. Try to route it, maybe we'll route it underneath, maybe route it on the outside to get it on the back side of the kill switch. We already have the battery charging on trickle charge. Hopefully we get this thing fixed so that we can run it. I would have preferred to install a smaller unit, a smaller switch, so it didn't bulge out the side of a vehicle, taking away from the aesthetics of that naked motorcycle. Nonetheless, it actually worked out pretty good in the end. All right, I've rerouted this this cable. I had to disconnect the switch to get this routed into here, and now I'm going to take the kill switch and wire this thing in. Actually, I probably should see. Oh yeah, difference in size. That's okay. We're gonna we're gonna have to do something about that. Capping off the installation of this kill switch, it was kind of a test fit with these wires being open to the elements. I'm gonna route them to the bottom, install this bolt so I can trickle charge the engine or jump the bike. Here you can hear the bike come to life as you turn the switch. Let's test starting this thing up. You can kill the bike with that kill switch for better or worse. But here, let's cap off this video, install this bolt so we can jump the battery or trickle charge it, and make those wires look a little bit better, closed off from the weather, the elements, the water underneath. Just make it look better. Finish this video off.